Hello everyone, it's me. Number 4. Although it's very widespread across Eurasia, North Africa, and the United States, there are very few places where you can actually spot a lynx in the wild, despite being one of the most widely distributed wildcats in the world. These elusive creatures have managed to remain mysterious, and their numbers are decreasing year by year. As we delve into the life of the elusive lynx, we'll explore some facts that might just leave you questioning if the legends surrounding this majestic creature are true or false. So let's get started. Number 1. There are 4 different types of lynx. Even though they are all part of the same species, lynx, the Eurasian lynx, the African lynx, the Canadian lynx, and the Iberian lynx are all very different from each other. They vary greatly in size, fur, color, and even behavior. The largest of the bunch is the Eurasian lynx, which can be found in both Europe and Asia. They have a thick, luxurious coat that's usually a reddish-brown color, with a lighter underside and black ear tufts. On the other hand, the smallest type of lynx is the Iberian lynx, which is only found in Spain and Portugal, as you may have guessed from their name. They have a coat that's more of a grayish color, and they also have shorter, bushier whiskers. The Canadian lynx has a bluish-gray coat with a lighter underside and a bobbed tail, while the African lynx has a sandy-colored coat with a darker underside and long, slender whiskers. All lynx have one thing in common: large paws that help them walk through the snow with ease. No, 2. Their prey can affect their fur color. Although the lynx's fur is determined primarily by genetics, what they eat plays a big role in how that fur looks. A study done in 2006 found that lynx that ate a lot of lemmings a darker fur than those who didn't. The reason for this is that the pigment in the lemmings' fur absorbs more light than the white fur of other prey animals like the snowshoe hare. This means that if there's a plentiful supply of lemmings around, the lynx will likely have darker fur. Conversely, when there aren't many lemmings, they'll have lighter fur because they'll be eating more snowshoe hares. This adaptation helps the lynx to blend in with their surroundings, making them better hunters. No, 3 lynx are excellent swimmers. Most people don't know this about them, but lynx are surprisingly good swimmers. When a lynx needs to cross a body of water, they'll simply take a running leap and use their paws to paddle themselves across. Their thick fur keeps them warm in cold water, and their large paws act like paddles to help them steer and balance themselves. In fact, it's not uncommon to see a lynx swimming across a river in order to hunt for fish. They are particularly fond of salmon and trout, and they'll happily dive into the water to catch them. Number 4. Only one other cat can purr while meowing. Now this one might surprise you. Did you know that only one other cat can purr while meowing, and that's the other cat in the genus Lynx, the other lynxes? Purring while meowing is an extremely rare behavior in the cat family, and scientists aren't entirely sure why some cats can do it and others can't. One theory is that it has something to do with the shape of the cat's larynx. If this is true, then it would make sense that the lynx and the other lynxes are the only cats who can purr while meowing, since their laryngeal structure is different from other cats. Whatever the reason, it's definitely a cute and endearing sound. It's one of the things that makes the lynx so unique. No. 5. They have huge paws. Lynx are one of the few cat species with particularly large paws, and for good reason. Their paws help them to walk through deep snow without sinking in, and they also help them to stay quiet while stalking their prey. The fur on their paws acts as a sort of built-in snowshoes, allowing the lynx to move through the snow with relative ease. Their large size also helps them to jump over logs and other obstacles without breaking their stride. Overall, the lynx's paws are a vital part of what makes them such successful predators. Number 6. They are endangered. Unfortunately, the future of the lynx is uncertain. Due to habitat loss, hunting, and human encroachment, their numbers have been dwindling in recent years. In fact, they are currently listed as endangered species in several countries, including Spain, Portugal, and Greece. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the lynx and its habitat, but it remains to be seen whether or not they will be successful. The lynx is an important part of the ecosystem, and its disappearance would have far-reaching consequences. There you have it, 6 amazing facts about the elusive lynx. We hope you enjoyed learning about this majestic creature and its unique adaptations. If you want to learn more about other animals, please check out our videos. Until next time, happy adventuring.